A court in Beijing has tried a high-profile Chinese dissident on subversion charges after he called for sweeping political reforms and an end to Communist Party dominance. Fellow dissidents, human rights advocates, and the international community have been urging China to free Liu Xiaobo. Pictured here back in June 2008, Liu was detained a year ago, just before the release of an appeal he co-authored called Charter 08. The charter, an unusually direct petition for political liberalization, was signed by more than 300 people, including some of China's top intellectuals. EU and U.S. diplomats showed up for Wednesday's trial, greeted here by Liu's lawyer, but they weren't allowed inside the courtroom.
We call on the government of China to release him immediately and to respect the rights of all Chinese citizens to peacefully express their political views in favor of universally recognized fundamental freedoms, including the right to petition one's government.
Activist Teng Biao spoke of China's harsh moves to enforce censorship.
What happened signifies the existence of big control and interference. Before Liu Xiaobo, there's been many cases of journalists and writers that were charged with crimes only for expressing their views.
Despite the threat of potential reaction from authorities, Liu's supporters were busy outside the courthouse, tying yellow ribbons around security barricades to dramatize their appeal for his freedom. Liu's brother-in-law said Wednesday's trial lasted about 2 hours and that prosecutors accused him of serious crimes. He added the verdict would come Friday, on Christmas Day. Police Wednesday didn't lose any time in removing the yellow ribbons from the barriers. Karen Sloan, The Associated Press.